Hello, everybody. My name is John. I am an Insomniac, and I'd like to welcome you all to my video series, the Blue Cross Lab Experiment. Give you a little background about really suffering from insomnia over the last 10 years or so. For about 9 years now, I've been on Lunesta in one form or another, and 3 milligrams. It's the only thing that really does work. About 7 years ago, under the care of another physician, the insurance company I was on at the time decided that they wanted to perform a lab experiment to save money. You must try this prescription, you must try that prescription, you must try it in this dosage and that dosage. And so, after many sleepless nights, finally got back to my 3 milligram of Lunesta, which actually does allow me to sleep. It takes about an hour for the pill to take effect and me to actually fall asleep. About 6 years ago, I went under the care of a new doctor, and so the experimentation was under another doctor's notes and her care. She actually no longer practices medicine, so for whatever reason, those notes didn't transfer over to my new doctor. Okay, so the company I work at offers, generally it's a large company, so it offers a number of different options each year for insurance choices. I consider myself pretty lucky on that one. This year I chose Blue Cross. Went to have my prescription refilled by Lunesta, 3 milligram, and was informed by it needed a pre-authorization. New insurance, new year, all seems pretty understandable. But I was informed that the pre-authorization was denying my refill because, according to the information they received, I had not tried other dosages, and so I had to try those before they would refill my 3 milligrams. So we're performing the Blue Cross Lab Experiment. I did try to contact them and told them that I had gone through this. They informed me that because it wasn't in my current doctor's notes in my file, that it was just word of mouth, and essentially called me out and said I was lying, that I had not tried it. It's word of mouth. I am now. This is day one, so I went and got the prescription filled for the 1 milligram. Useless. I am officially out of my 3 milligram. Tonight is going to be the first night. I have attempted to contact Ellison Brown of Blue Cross as a supervisor. 3 days I've contacted and no response whatsoever. So I am going to document both the effects of the Blue Cross Lab Experiment, my attempts to contact Blue Cross and get some help, and the effects to my psyche, to my well-being, of what happens to an insomniac when you disrupt their sleep patterns. I've been on this prescription now for a total of about 9 years. 6 years, 7 years have been uninterrupted. Been a good run. So I know what exactly will happen. There will be a lack of any sleep. If I don't take the pill, I don't sleep. So anyway, here is video number 1 of the Blue Cross Lab Experiment. So we'll see how things go.